Hi, this is Chris from Fanatical. What I just quickly wanted to cover now is just how to build a report comparing budget versus actuals for different periods. So I'm just going to navigate up here on the ribbon to our template builder. And in our template builder here, I'm going to choose a entity, Stock Industries, report period I'll take last month. And I'm just going to bring in a basic P&L or statement of activities, as it is called for nonprofits. So with our function, there we can see is that through cell referencing, right, we've populated the cell here with our own FlashQ formula. And as we saw, is that this formula makes use of cell referencing to populate it with the parameters that are needed in order to go and fetch fresh values, from QBO. So company, there's my start and end date, B3 and B4, right, there's my cells there. Actual versus budget is specified here in B5, and account is in A8. All right, so since my cell referencing has taken place here and corrected, all I need to do if I want to create a comparable report is just copy it over to column C. Right there, I can see my cell referencing now for period is in B3 and B4. So all I need to do here, if I wanted to change actual versus budget, is use my search function or list of values function to go and change that then, to budget values over there. And now I'm basically pulling in budget values, from QBO. If I then wanted to go and add these and change that, for another different periods, I just copy that over again. And then instead of last month, I can also just go and select, different periods here as well. Let's just say I want this year to last month. For actual, well, for both of these, I want this year to last month, right? And there I can essentially, there I've got my values here for those 3 periods over there. And if I wanted to go and get my budget, for the full year, all that I would do over there, right, is just go here and select my full year. Just look for my this year, then from a budget perspective. So there very quickly, we can see just some comparable reports as well. And then what I am able to do here is also just insert columns and rows and do various calculations. But yeah, so what I've very quickly been able to do here is just build a comparative reports. I'm not limited to these periods. I can, insert, any one of these periods, or I can alternatively, I can even insert, just custom dates as well. So there I can, instead of just using my parameters, in QBO, I can also go and say here that I maybe want 2024, or, to maybe even a different period as well. So you can choose any type of periods that you want there as well. Okay, that's just a quick update in terms of how, we enable comparative reporting using Flash reports.